everyone, I got a helmet strap, so now you guys are coming with me everywhere. Just gonna do a short video here. I'm getting prepped for the moto-camping trip that I'm going on with my buddy Alex, who we were working on his CB500X the other day. So I was gonna walk through my setup for moto-camping. This is the first time I'm ever gonna do moto-camping. I've done a lot of camping in my life, but never backpacking style or like compact camping. So most of the time I just have my truck and it's like lazy camping because I can pull up to the site and dump everything off. So I went through the process this last winter of kind of ordering stuff slowly, looking at a lot of videos, watching a lot of Dork in the Road, and just trying to figure out, you know, the best budget setup. So this is one of my many, you know, hobbies, so I have to keep it cost effective. So I'm gonna walk you through my setup and what I've got, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Show you how I'm gonna load it on the bike essentially, and then once the day comes, you'll get the whole picture of the video when we do that process. So all right, I'm gonna throw it on my head and show you the kit. All right, so this is a lot of the small stuff that's going into one of my other saddle bags. So I'll start here with, this is like the main kit. So this is my rear waterproof bag that's gonna go right over on the passenger seat and up onto the rack. So I have a coffee kit here, just a little percolator and some coffee. This is a headlamp you can put on your head there for light. I have my mini stove. I think this is Fire Maple. Yeah, Fire Maple, which is a really highly recommended brand for that. And I also got this kit, which has all the silverware, bowls. It expands into a bunch of stuff. I think it's like a 25-in-1 kit. That's good. I have my, I think this is the sleeping bag. Yes, this is a sleeping bag. This was, I think, an Amazon one. It had really good reviews. I'm not planning on doing any cold camping yet. I want to try to do it in the summer first, and then I'll go from there. So it's not like a -50 bag or anything like that. It doesn't have to be special. So I got a bunch of these waterproof bags here that you fold up. This is like cleaning supplies, which I actually have to put some stuff in here. So I'm going to leave this over here. So I got cleaning supplies there. This was a really cool purchase. This is a folding camping table. It's really compact. I mean, it's about 18 inches, I think. Just about, somewhere around there. And it folds out really easy, really quick into like a nice little, I don't know, like a 18 by 18 table. And it's fantastic. I think that's gonna be super handy in this kind of camping. And then I have here, oh, this is a water kit. So this is like a water filter and a water bag that can be filled up. So if we camp somewhere, we're gonna try to find somewhere near water so that we can filter some water and have some water for the camp. So that's almost everything. What else do we got in here? I don't know. Oh, this is like guy lines and ropes and stuff like that. So that's there. And then I packed some, oh yeah, so I have this, this is a fold out knife. It's a Banco. This was a highly rated one too, but just in case we got to cut some firewood or anything like that. And what else? I think that's it. I got a bunch of these hand warmers packed just in case, and foot warmers. You never know how the weather's going to be. It's New England in the summertime, so. And then this is one of my saddlebags. The other one is empty until I go to the trip. But this is a tool bag. This has pretty much everything I need to take a wheel off, do any sort of large jobs is in this bag here. And then I have, obviously, first aid kit. Bug spray, very important. That'll go in another bag. This is just a hammock, little camping hammock that I have had for a long time. There's some extra spare levers, parts, electrical tape, and a net. This here is my my waterproof suit. And then this is a fold-out chair, a little camp chair. So that's that bag there. Oh yeah, this is my tent, by the way. So super compact. It's a 2-person tent. I've used it a couple times. Very good tent for the money. That's an Amazon one as well. Then we've got, this is a towel. It's like a little personal towel. Wilderness wipes, these are a necessity, obviously. This is really cool. This is the Flex Tail. It's a pump and like a tent light, so you can hang it up, use it as a light here, but it also has a pump, and yeah, I believe you can actually use it as a charger as well if you need to in a pinch. But it has a bunch of different adapters that fit into this little tube, so that's a super handy little tool. That's going to be great for filling up my camp mattress. So this is the camp mattress. It's pretty good. I haven't used it overnight yet. I've slept on it here in the basement to test it out. It's what you'd expect for a very compact sleeping pad. Probably not going to be super good, but we'll figure it out. This is a bear bag, so if we get stuck somewhere where there's lots of wildlife, I'll hang up, you know, any food that we have up in a tree or something like that. It's a good thing to have. These are some cotton ball fire starters that I've made. I think I did, I'm gonna try this out. It's like petroleum jelly, sawdust, and cotton, so this might be trying a couple things out for fire starters. I do have some fire or waterproof matches that are in my little tank bag, along with like a pocket knife and some survival stuff, like, and license registration, all that stuff in there. But yeah, I got more of the hand warmers. I did get, this is a charging hub and battery bank, flashlight, all sorts of things, you name it. It's got, you know, your compass and stuff like that as well. But this thing's solar charging, and it worked out really well. My tank bag has a clear pocket on the top, and you can slide this in there and it just charges. So I'll have this in there while I'm riding during the day and stuff like that, which will charge that up for whatever I need to keep my phone and stuff going. This is just a gas can for my the fire maple, and then an Nalgene water bottle. This here is a tent or tarp, so something I'd put under the tent. And this was just I decided to grab this just in case, you know, we're gonna pack some beers in the bike for the campground. So this is like a can cooler, but you could also use it for meat or whatever, or something, eggs. You could put some in here, and it's pretty slim. And I might end up being able to mount it to the side of one of my bags or something, so it doesn't take up much space. So this was a little purchase. And then I have a bunch of these are those waterproof bags, so you can get a kit of these on Amazon pretty cheap. So definitely, I keep all of the, you know, helmet bags that I have, anything like that that I can use to bag up camping gear, stuff like that. So that's the main part of my kit. So everything, all of the stuff that came out of there will go back in here. I might throw a couple extra things in there, and then the rest of it will go in my empty side bag on the bike. So everything should fit. I mean, I only have, this is all the stuff that would need to go into a side bag, and those are, I think those are 40-liter side bags, because the 22s are the old ones. Yeah, so plenty of space. So really cool. But anyways, there's my kit. Let me know in the comments if you think that's gonna do it. I think that's a pretty good start. I'm gonna just kind of go with this for now. Oh, I also missed these too. These are just like neck gaiters. These are super handy. What is it? Dork in the Road did a really good video, and he talked about why these are useful in so many ways, and they really are. So you can grab a neat pack of those on Amazon really cheap, so very worth it. All right, anyways, there's my kit. So yeah, stay in the know. We're gonna be posting the video for the trip. I think it'd be the end of June, or the third weekend of June. So we're going on the week of the 15th. So stay tuned, and you'll see that video coming. I might do another video in a couple of, maybe next week. I'll do a video of just, you know, the bike all loaded up and ready to go, and probably post some stuff for the socials. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.